Hey guys, you doing alright? My name is Olivia, also known as Jetlag Live, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to reveal the inner workings of how I find my airfare. That's right guys, today I'm going to show you how to score cheap airfare. It's easier than you think. I'm going to do it on my computer here, bring you guys in a little bit closer so that you can see just how easy it is, and who knows, maybe in a couple of months you'll be off to your dream getaway for way less than you think. Let's get into it. Okay guys, I went ahead and put my phone here so that you can see what I am looking at. I figured it'd be a little bit easier to do it on my computer instead of on a screen recording on my cell phone. Just it's a little bit bigger, easier to see. So the first thing you need to do is pull up your internet browser. For Mac users, it's Safari. You can use Internet Explorer, whatever works for you. And what you're going to need to do is the most important part, which is using a private browser. So we're going to go ahead to File, scroll down to New Private Window, and select that. Now this is so important because when you don't have private browsing enabled, airlines can see when you're using a frequent search, so that they can oftentimes jack the prices up to scare you into buying a higher price ticket. So we're going to avoid that and use a private browser. All right, next thing we're going to do is go ahead and type in Google Flights, just like that. And you're going to hit enter, and you'll see a bunch of these results, you know, Scott's Cheap Flights, Forbes, stuff like that. But what we're interested in is using this flight icon right here. So you're going to click that, and automatically going to be brought to the holy grail that I use for all of my cheap flights, which is the Google Flights feature on their website. Okay, so it does know that I'm in Orlando, that's my home base. So what I'm going to do is type in, let's type in Rome, Italy, one of my favorite places on the planet, and we're going to hit search. So, of course, you can put in your own destination to get the results you're looking for. So right now it's got us at round trip, which is perfect. 1 passenger and then economy seats. You can change this to make first class, but I am not about that life. So you'll see some initial flights pop up because Google has automatically selected these dates for you guys. So what you're gonna do is just click on this calendar icon. And this is the best part, guys. See if I can bring you in a little bit more. Alright, so what you're looking at here are the prices for estimated dates of departure. And if you look here, you'll notice that this one is green, so it's a little bit different than the rest. So what I'm going to do is click this one, because when Google has a green price, that is the lowest price available. So it's lower than the rest of the prices surrounding. And then let's say I wanted to go on just, you know, a few days trip. We could go for $552, but we could also extend it maybe a week and a half and go for about $552. So what you can do, let's say we're okay with that, which is actually cheaper than the one that I went on to Italy. And then what we can do is hit done. And what'll happen is basically they will select the best departing flights. You know, you can choose from here. But what is crucial is that green is still popping up, which enables us to see visually the lowest prices without doing too much work. And guys, I'm not kidding, this works every time. So let's do another one. Let's see what London looks like. Excuse me. Okay, so what we can do is search for the lowest dates, and look at that, the 17th to the 24th is only $365. That's pretty cheap for a pretty lengthy trip. And then what you can see is just go ahead and select the departing flight and the returning flight, which is the same price. And you would just either book with that option, you can book with Google sometimes, and basically you go through and just purchase your flight. A lot of the times there will be add-on options. You don't have to do that. I taught you guys how to purse pack if you want to kind of finesse the airline system and get all of your belongings in a small bag so you don't have to pay for these guys. All right, guys, and that's all I have for you. That is my secret. I use Google Flights every single time I am eyeing a certain country or planning a certain trip, because I know that those green prices are going to be the lowest for this destination, and it never fails. And I've been so happy with the prices that I paid for my trips. It is helpful to have flexible dates for your vacations. If that's not an option for you, just make sure that you're pre-planning your trip according to the dates, if that's possible for you, so you'll get the best bang for your buck. I know it seems too good to be true, but go ahead and type in Google Flights. You'll be surprised at all the good deals you can find. That's where I bought my tickets to Japan, Italy, Quebec, London. I've done all of them through Google Flights. When you see green, green is good, so go ahead and investigate. It's okay to cross-reference with other flight sites, but personally, that is how I find my cheap airfare, and I hope it was so helpful to you guys. As always, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel. We're doing all kinds of crazy travel content, tips, tricks, and experiences on this channel. And while you're there, go ahead and ring the bell so that you can join the crew and be notified of all of my videos. Like I said, I will be going to London very soon, so you'll see a lot of content from there. I'm very excited about that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you being here. That's all I have for you. All right, guys, I'll see you next time.